Oh, what's up, YouTube? Oh, it's been a weekend, mate. My little daughter got some kind of bug in the nursery last week. Then my wife got it somehow. She had very bad food poisoning. And then I thought I'd got away with it, but then I got it yesterday. Horrible. Anyway, I was in bedridden. Much better today. But I had to get this video out though. But yeah, this video is a short key that I've been using for about 10 years. It's kind of made my work a bit more efficient, you know, because we're striving for efficiency when we animate, right? So I learned this through a friend of mine as I was working for different companies. And it's helped me a lot in my workflow, so I hope it helps you out. So let's check it out, see what you think. And yeah, let's go through it. All right, guys, so if we look here, we've got a little bouncing ball, yeah? So this short key is a playback short key. So what you're doing is you just, whenever you play back here in Maya, play and then stop, play and then stop, you're always having to bring the mouse down here and go play, stop, play, stop. Now what one of my friends taught me was there's a short key at the top of your keyboard, and I'll just get the camera to you guys so you can see it. So what we're looking at is the short key here, just below the escape button. And in other Maya versions, for some reason, if you go to Windows here and you go to settings, hotkey, what you want to do is you go to menu items and then you go to animation playback. You'll see here it says playback forward and playback stop. So when I click here, all I want to do is go to the arrow here and say on press, and then press that button that we just showed, and then on release I want to do it as well. But for some reason in this Maya it's not working. So what I've done is, so try out on yours, see if it works, because you want to use the one key. You want to press it and then press it off, press it and press it off. It's the same key, right? On press, on release. That's the whole point. But if you can't, because it might be the Maya version I'm using, that's why it's not happening. But just use this as that playback and then go to playback stop and press 1 if you want, you know, some key that's near it, so that when you toggle between the two, stop and start, stop and start, it's not like far away, because the whole point of this is to make the workflow more efficient. So anyway, I'll do that and I'll just save all that, which I've done anyway. And then what you'll see is when I press the button, it'll play. And then when I press 1, it stops. Play, stop, play, stop. Right? So I'm pressing the key, the hotkey under the escape button, and I'm pressing 1. And obviously if you can do it on the same key, it's easier, because you might have another hotkey on one that you're using, right? So that's just that's helped me a lot with my workflow and striving for efficiency while I'm doing my animation, because what you will find is, as you work in the industry, all these little, you know, buttons here and there, everywhere. Ideally, you want Maya to be clear. You know, you want to create your own hotkeys and customize Maya to your settings so that your workflow is efficient and you can do it quickly. Because over the week, you can easily save about maybe an hour's worth of work by doing that. And as you get more efficient, you know, you will save more time. So just a quick little tip on playback. All right, guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Channel is growing. Thank you for everyone who's supporting me. It means a lot. And I will continue to get more videos out. There's a few books there's one book here that I want to review. Amazing book by Mark McDonald. It's called A Gesture Drawing Book. You might have seen it. Definitely going to do a review on this gesture drawing for animation. But in the meantime, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun animating and enjoy it, and take care.